Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika and right now we are doing the series of chapter exponents for class 7 exercise 4.2. Till now we have covered question number 1 to 8 and in this video we will be doing question number 9, 10 and 11. So let's quickly start with the questions. In this we have to simplify this question. So we have minus 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3, division sign minus 5 upon 2 raised to the power 3. मैंने अपने पहले वीडियो में भी आपको बताया है कि जब अगर नंबर की जो पावर्स हैं वो सेम है तो आप नंबर्स को कंबाइन कर सकते हो. यू कैन कीप बोथ द नंबर्स इनसाइड वन ब्रैकेट. सो लेट्स डू दैट ओनली. माइनस 3 अपॉन 4 डिवाइड बाय माइनस 5 अपॉन 2 रेज टू द होल पावर 3. देन वी विल राइट मल्टीप्लाई. 2 की पावर 4 है, माइनस 1 की पावर अगर कभी भी इवन नंबर है सो आंसर विल बी पॉजिटिव ओनली. And 2 की power 4 will be 2 raised to the power 4. That will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So we will write here 16. 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 4 will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. So we will simply write here 81. Let's solve this part. So we have here minus 3 upon 4. डिविजन साइन विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू मल्टीप्लीकेशन और राइट हैंड साइड वाले नंबर का आप रेसिप्रोकल कर दोगे. सो इट विल बी 2 अपॉन माइनस 5 एंड वी विल राइट होल पावर एज 3. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 16 अपॉन 81. लेट्स सॉल्व दिस ऑल्सो. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now multiply the remaining terms. Numerator में we have 3 and 1, so it will be minus 3 and here we have 5 and 2, so it will be minus 10 raised to the power 3 only. 16 upon 81. इसको आप कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? माइनस एंड माइनस यू कैन सिंपली कैंसल. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Here 10 cube. So 10 cube is 1000. Multiply by 16 upon 81. इसको हम कैंसल करते हैं. 9 3s are 27. 9 9s are 81. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. Cancel this also. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. So 500 will come. Then 2 4s are 8. Then we will write 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10 and put 0. Again cancel करो 2 से. 2 2s are 4. तो कितना आ जाएगा? 125 after cancellation. What is left in numerator? Only 2 and this 1. So 2 1s are 2. And in denominator हमारे पास क्या है? 125 along with this 3. तो 125 और 3 को आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. What will come? 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6 and 7 and 3 1s are 3. So we have 2 upon 375 in the denominator. So this is our solution of question number 9. Let's see question number 10. So in question number 10 we have to simplify this part. How we will do it? Multiply the powers, start the solution from this part only, from here 2 to minus 1, then from here we will proceed over here. Let's open 1 1 bracket. So first of all we will open this bracket. It will appear like this. Minus 1 into 2, it will be 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. Then we will write here minus 2. What is left? 1 upon 4. 2 2s are 4, minus minus will become plus. So we will simply write here what? 4. Now multiply 1 with 4 times. So what will come here? 1 into 1 into 1. Like this we will do the multiplication. So 1 you can multiply 4 times. You will get only 1 in the result. 1 आपके पास result में आ जाएगा. 4 को अब आप 4 times multiply करो. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 4s are, it will be 256. So we will simply write here 256. That's all. That's our answer in simplification. We have then 11th question. In 11th question, you can see all the powers are minus 2, right? And the numbers are in addition or subtraction. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस पावर को पॉजिटिव पावर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. वो कैसे करते हैं? नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल करके. So it will be 3 raised to the power 2 plus 4 raised to the power 2 plus 5 raised to the power 2 and minus 6 raised to the power 2. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25 and 6 6s are 36. अब आप इन सबको ऐड कर दो, 16 प्लस 9 25, 25 प्लस 25 विल बी 50, 50 माइनस 36, 50 में से जब आप 36 लेस करोगे, सो व्हाट विल कम 14 and 14 is our result. As expressed as the product of prime numbers. We have two numbers given like this. We have to express this product in terms of prime numbers only. तो सबसे पहले आप prime factorization method apply करो for 108 as well as we will apply for 192 also. So do the prime factorization method here. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Simple. We will write here 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 3. How will you express 192 now? So 192 prime factorization also we will be doing. Here 2 9s are 18, right? How we will be doing of 192 now? So 192 I'll write like this here. Let's do prime factorization of 192. So we have 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, then we have 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. How many times 2 is coming? Please see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write here 2 raised to the power 6 and 3 we will write only once. अब यहाँ पे देखो आप 2 times आ रहा है, so combine them. What is the power here? 2 and here 6. So add this 2 and 6, it will be 8. Then multiply 3 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 1. It will be 3 raised to the power 4. That's all for this question. Now we have prime numbers here that are 2 and 3. We have to simplify this portion. We all know BODMAS rule. So accordingly, we will solve this also. 3 cube is 27. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. Multiply by 2 2s are 4. So 2 square is 4. Plus we have 2 2s are 4. Multiply 5 raised to the power 0. जब भी किसी नंबर की पावर 0 होती है, so its value will be 1. जैसे यहाँ पे हम क्या लिख देंगे 1. Multiply these two numbers, what you will get? 4 7s are 28. So 8 we will write here, 2 is carry over. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, that is 10. Plus 4 1s are 4. According to BODMAS, we have to multiply first. So now add these two numbers. क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास? 1 1 2. That is 112. Now students, we have another question. In this question, they are saying, by what number should we multiply minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 so that the product is 10 raised to the power minus 1. ये कह रहे हैं हम किस नंबर से माइनस 6 की पावर माइनस 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करें कि जो आंसर है वो आ जाए 10 की पावर माइनस 1. दे आर आस्किंग बाय विच नंबर. सो लेट अस कंसिडर द नंबर दैट हैज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद दिस बी x. इसके साथ जो हमको नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है उसको हम क्या मान लेते हैं? x ले लेते हैं. So minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 multiply by 6 is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 1. This will be our equation. Let's solve that. Minus 1 है यहाँ पे, पावर हमें पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करनी पड़ेगी. Do the reciprocal. 1 upon minus 6 raised to the power x is equals to 10 की पावर is also minus 1. तो आप इसको भी डिनोमिनेटर में सेंड कर दो. You have to find out the value of this x, right? So आप इस x को यहीं पे रखोगे. Keep this x over here. ये वाला जो 6 है minus 6, it will go in the numerator this side. Cross multiply होके it will go here. So it will be minus 6 upon 10. Minus 6 upon 10. Let's simplify that. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So value of x is minus 3 upon 5. Means अगर हम minus 3 upon 5 को इस 6 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हमारे पास रिजल्ट क्या आ जाएगा? दिस नंबर दैट इज 10 raised to the power minus 1. In this value we have to find out, in this question we have to find out the value of x. So सबसे पहले हमको सबके बेस क्या करने पड़ेंगे? सेम. यहाँ पर आपको ये दोनों नंबर्स तो इक्वल दिख रहे हैं, बट सी हियर दिस नंबर इज डिफरेंट, तो इसका आप रेसिप्रोकल कर दोगे. अब जैसे ही आप किसी नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल करते हो, इट्स पावर चेंजेस इट्स साइन, तो पावर अपना क्या करती है, साइन चेंज कर लेगी. It will become a positive power from the negative. Let's do it. 12 upon 13 raised to the power 4 multiply. आपने इसको भी चेंज किया because you want to make the base same. So it will be 12 upon 13 raised to the power 8 is equals to 12 upon 13 raised to the power 2x. अब आप क्या करोगे, बेस सेम हो गए, add the numbers because those numbers are in multiplication. So it will be 12 upon 13. 8 plus 4 will be 12 is equals to, it will be 12 here. 12 upon 13 raised to the power 2x. देखो बेस सेम हो गए ना. जैसे ही आपके बेस सेम हो जाते हैं, आप पावर्स को एक दूसरे के इक्वल में रख सकते हो. So it will be 2x equals to 12. x की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी, 12 upon 2. ये 2 यहां से न्यूमरेटर में था, it will go into denominator. Value of x will be equals to 6. So that's all for exercise 4.2 of ML Agrawal for the chapter exponents. I hope you find the series helpful, and if you find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.